We are going to draw a sailboat. Okay, so let's see the supplies that we need. We need paper. I'm using half a paper. We need crayons. We need markers. We need something to make draw a circle with. And we also need something to practice draw. Okay, so I'm going to place the paper first in the way that we are going to draw today. So we are going to put it in the landscape styles. So that's how we are putting the paper. Then next, let's see how we do this. Okay, so I'm going to start with the water first. So the water we are going to make is like U or C's. Maybe you can put it this way and make C's connected to, see how I'm making C, C, C. Got that? Then you put it back like that. Okay. The next thing, again, we are going to make a C, but we're going to take this to make a C with. I'm going to we don't actually need this. We can make the C like that and one like that. So this is in the water, so like that. And then we are going to connect it with a line. So we got the boat part now. So next what we are going to do is we are going to make the sail. Okay, so to make the sail is attached to a mast. So let's draw a mast. Okay, maybe we'll add 2 sails to this boat. To one mast and another mast. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to make a C is what we are practicing today, right? We're going to make a C like this and a bigger C here. Okay, we're going to turn it around, make a C here, a bigger C. Okay, now connect this and this and this and this. So we have 2 sails. And then if you want, you can add a small flag to here. So it's like a V, sideways V. Okay, now let's add a circle for the window like that. Okay, and then what else should we add to this? Should we add a sun, or should we make it like it's nighttime and make it like draw a moon? Maybe we'll make it nighttime. So I'm going to draw a moon in the sky. Okay, and with that we are done with this ship or sailboat, or is it a clipper ship? I don't know. So we are done. Let's now see how, if you know how to draw this now, let's see how we'll draw this on the paper. Let me see if there is a name for this type of ship with 2 or more sails. What? Clipper ships, clippers? What are clippers? Clipper, not Los Angeles Clippers, clipper ships. Clipper ship was a type of mid-century merchant sailing vessel designed for speed. They had, okay, so maybe that's why this was designed for speed. That's why they had multiple sails, right? Okay, so let me take the paper and then let's put it in the not the portrait, landscape style. And then remember we need to leave like 2 finger space on the bottom, and then we are going to make C's, and then we are going to connect it. So as long as you know how to make C's, you can make this clipper clipper also starts with a C. Yeah, that is nice. Or it can be, I don't know, a sailing ship. We can call it just a sailing ship. So I'm going to leave like 4 finger space on this side and 4 fingers or 3 fingers, 4 finger space on this side. And then I'm going to make a C. 4 finger space on this side, on this here. I'm going to make a backward C, right? And then we are going to connect it. Now, remember how we made the mast for this thing? We made a line like that. You can make a single line or 2 lines. It's up to you. Okay, then let's make a C. This is a bigger C and this is a little, or maybe I could have made this a little bit bigger. Okay. Oh, I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to make a C like that. Okay, now connect these two, this two. We have the thing. Now let's add a sideways V for the flag and some. So you can add the windows, or you can just make it lines like that, add lines for the texture. So it's up to you whether you want windows. If you find it difficult to make circles, I think you can make circles, right? Small circles. Practice making some circles. Circles are also easy. Make a C, a backward C, connect it, and then you have a circle, right? So we have that, and now we are going, see, I'm going to make a circle here, like a C, a backward C. I have a moon, okay? So we have the ship done. So let's now take the black marker and outline everything. I don't know, always I like the one that I draw on the whiteboard. The first time when I draw something, I like it, and then the second time doesn't come out as nice as the first one. Maybe the first time, does it happen to you guys? Maybe first time we are paying more attention to what we are drawing, and then second time you like, yeah. So this line, I'm not going to draw the line through the sail, okay? You can leave that line there, and then when you color, it will be like the mast is showing through the, it will look like it is showing through the sail. I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. Okay, maybe we'll add some birds. So it's like a C again. Connect it with another C. So this time the C is downwards, okay? C, 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 C. So we used a lot of C's today to make this clipper or sailboat. So we're done coloring this. Now, not coloring, drawing this. So when I outlined it, you used your black marker, right? Now let's take the markers, the other markers to color this, and then let's color this completely, okay? What color should we use for the, should we leave the sail white, or should we So I'm going to make it maybe white, so I'll color it lightly blue later. I'm going to color the rest of the board. So the board, this part of the board, what color do you want? Maybe I'm going to use brown itself. If you want to use a different color, you can go ahead use a different color, okay? I'm going to make a fence around this, around like that. So then I'll color inside like this. Let's go around, outline, making the outlines. Okay, so the mast, you can use brown itself. Now let's take blue. I'm going to go over this waves. I'm going to imitate, maybe I'll make some curvy lines like that to show water. Okay, the flag, you can decide what color flag you want. Maybe I'll make a design. Oh, it became green because it was still, this is the moon, so I'm just going to color it yellow. Now I'm going to color the windows. Maybe I'll take a gray and I'll color that with gray. Now for the sail, now we are done using the markers, so I'm going to put away the markers. Now let's take the crayons, and I'm going to take light blue, and I'm going to lightly color this, very lightly. So it's like, I want it to look like it's a white one, but because it's nighttime, that's where it is, you can't see the white properly. Okay, now let's take the blue green to color the water. Stay within the line. I'm going to take some blue and go over that to make it because it's nighttime, everything will look darker, right? So I'm going to put some blue also on top of the blue green. Okay, now I'm going to take purple. The night sky, I'm going to make it purple. So it's almost, maybe it is getting dark because the moon has come, and then the birds are flying back to the nest. Okay, so I don't want it to be completely dark. So it's like I'll put some purple and then blue on the bottom. So halfway I'm coloring purple, halfway it is going, maybe you can use purple and pink also when when it is the setting time. You can see that way, right? So I'm going to take pink. Setting sun. I'm going to go over the purple with pink also. So it will be like a mix of, it's like slightly turning the color. Okay, and then we are done. So did you like drawing this easy peasy sail ship with me? I hope you had fun drawing the entire thing with just using C's and straight lines, right? So if you had fun, send me your finished work so that I can see how it turned out. So email me your finished work with your name, room number, and your school name so that I can see how it turned out. So till we meet next time, bye-bye.